And let's configure the networking. So all the networking configuration can be handled via the GUI. Under the hood, it's just standard Linux networking. There's no proprietary network stack. We just provide all the flexibility anyone would need, but enhance the ease and simplification if you aren't a Linux networking guru. We support LLDP if your switches are configured. This will help confirm things like port placement. Support LACP and active passive bonds. We recommend LACP because Ceph can be network hungry, especially during maintenance actions. So recommend LACP to maximize the overall throughput. Support VLAN tagging. We also have a easy access CLI for the nodes and container. A built-in terminal and IPMI support. And that's really just so that we can control the power state of the nodes themselves. So let me show you just one node configuration. So we can create bonds easily. This is a VM, so I don't actually have access to LACP, otherwise I would try to configure that. Bond 0. These are going to be the interfaces for our Ceph network. We'll call this bond 1. And in addition to that, we support VLAN tagging as well. So for bond 1, we're going to create a VLAN tagged interface. Like that. Now let me show you what this looks like in terminal. And again, this is all Linux networking under the hood. So here are our bond 0, bond 1, and our tagged interface. And behind the scenes, I'm going to configure the rest of the NICs.